Hey people, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to make daddies, the crunchy ones. So the ingredients you're going to need, we are going to need 2 cups of wheat flour. We are going to need 1/4 cup of sugar. If you want them very sweet, you can increase on the quantity of sugar, but I don't want mine sweet, that's why I'm choosing to use very little sugar. Another ingredient we need some little margarine. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of margarine. I don't want them soft, I want the crunchy ones, that's why I'm using 1 teaspoon of margarine. Another ingredient you are going to need is lemon zest. It is for flavoring. It depends on the flavor you want. Some use ginger, some use lemon zest, some use vanilla, so it depends on what you want. As for me, I'm going to use lemon zest. Another ingredient is baking powder. I'm putting just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then I have here water. I'm using cold water because I don't want them soft. If you want them soft, that's when you use warm water. But as for me, I want mine crunchy, that's why I'm using cold water. Alright, let's get started. So we are going to start by sifting the flour. I'm going to put my flour here in my mixing bowl. I'm going to add the baking powder. Try to mix the baking powder uniformly before you sift, and then after you try to sift. The sifting is good in that it helps to trap in air. Not mind my sieve, but you can get a better one. So if there are insects in the flour, you get rid of them by sifting. And when you are sifting as well, you incorporate in air, which is also good for your daddies. Then I get my margarine. I'm going to use my fingers at this stage. I'm going to use my fingers. You try to rub the margarine into the flour. You do it until it has disappeared. I mean when the margarine is no longer same. So I prefer using my fingertips, it does it better. Well, now the margarine is uniformly mixed. Now I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients. I'm putting sugar. You also mix. Put my lemon zest. You mix. And then now we are coming to adding water. So when you're putting water, you put little at a time because we need a stiff dough. You don't want a soft dough. So you put little water at a time until you form a firm dough. Just continue kneading until you see that the dough is not sticking on your hands. That's when you know that you've put enough water. Now my dough is no longer sticking on my hands. I can say the dough is ready. You can transfer it on my board. If you don't want the dough to stick on the board, you put some little wheat flour. Okay, now the dough is ready for rolling. We get our rolling pin. What is unique about that is we don't want the dough very thin. We need some body, so we don't make it very thin for that case. So the thickness is enough. After rolling, then we get our knife and we start cutting. As you are cutting, make sure that your oil is on fire so that you don't waste time. Now I prefer rolling it tight like this. My daddies into the oil. Continue frying until they are golden brown. That's when you know that they are ready. But remember not to use that top fire, otherwise the outside will get ready when the inside is burnt, and that is very dangerous. See, mine are getting golden brown, which is a sign that they are getting ready. Can't wait to taste. Now our daddies are golden brown, which is a sign that they are ready. Now I can comfortably transfer them here. I'm using this because it helps to drain out the oil. You don't want them oily, that's why we're doing this. The good thing with these daddies, they can keep safe for a long time. So if you want daddies which can keep safe a long time, you just get it. These ones you just pack in a tin and then you are good to go. Now as you can see, the daddies are ready. Just try out this recipe, you will not regret. It's an easy to make snack with very few ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my new videos. Love you. Bye bye.